Hey guys, I'm doing a 6-part series of videos entitled A Guide to Switching to Linux Ubuntu Edition. The purpose of this guide is to try to make it easier for a Windows user to migrate to Linux, or in the case of this guide, Ubuntu specifically, by going over what Ubuntu is, how to install it, how to use it, and what to expect in your journey of switching from Windows to Linux, and kind of get you jump-started. So today, I'm just giving an introduction to Ubuntu. So first off, what is Ubuntu? Ubuntu is a Linux distribution based on Debian, and its goal is to make Linux more accessible to your average Joe. Ubuntu would actually be my first choice for new Linux users who aren't really familiar with Linux. Now, aside from being one of the most user-friendly Linux distros out there, Ubuntu has the advantage of being ridiculously popular. In fact, the most popular Linux distribution. So most Linux programs and tutorials will be written with in mind. So that'll make it even easier for even a total noob to get jump-started on Ubuntu. So this is what the Ubuntu desktop looks like out of the box. In my opinion, it is a really nice and attractive interface. I would actually even argue that it looks nicer than Windows, though that might be something for a debate. And it's designed in such a way that someone who's never even heard of Linux, let alone used it in their life, could find their way around it sooner rather than later. But anyway, that's really all there is to say in terms of an introduction to Ubuntu. I hope this video gave you a good introduction to Ubuntu, and at least made you consider if this is something you want to try out. And in my next video, which I hope to have out next week, I'll be going over installing Ubuntu on Adobe with Windows. But anyways, thanks for watching.